create better dresses in Marvelous Designer, you should follow the PSF rule. Yeah, that's something I came up with. Let's start with P, particle distance. While it might seem obvious, particle distance plays a crucial role in enhancing your designs. To illustrate, let's take a look at this skirt. It's clear that this one looks 10 times better than this one. Reducing particle distance not only adds density to your fabric, but also makes it drape more realistically. Notice how this ruffle looks so good when the particle distance is low, as well as this waistband. However, lowering particle distance won't guarantee the best results. That's where S, silhouette, comes in. It's the most critical aspect of designing a stunning dress. Let's understand with an example. Here are two dresses. Which one looks better? This one, right? And surprisingly, this one is less detailed than the other. So it's not just about particle distance. The shape and silhouette make all the difference. And here's a quick tip. When working on any dress in Marvelous Designer or CLO3D, always zoom out to see how it looks from a distance. If it looks great without excessive details, you are on the right track. Lastly, talk about F, fabric presets. Just like in real life, fabric plays a significant role in garment creation. Some dresses will only shine with cotton, where others require silk. Let's see a quick example. This dress is made with taffeta, a stiff paper-like fabric, which is why this dress maintains this shape. Now, if I use an organza fabric instead, the dress's appearance would change drastically because both fabric are completely contrasting. This is why it's really important to understand fabrics and your needs. When you match the right fabric with your design, you will create a garment that's appealing to everyone. So, that's the PSF rule, your key to creating stunning dresses in Marvelous Designer. Always keep PSF in mind while designing, and your dresses will turn out even better. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and click here to become more efficient in MD. And until then, keep simulating. Bye.